Right, let me share my screen. So hello and welcome to the Derek Tafuma tutorials, where I'll be looking at maths, physics, chemistry, and biology. So I'm going to share this screen. In fact, I can just share it right here. I'm going to share the screen, and I'm going to go through the first part of physics, IGCSE, which is the International GCSE or International General Certificate in Secondary Education. So welcome to Derek Tafuma tutorials, where I look at maths, physics, chemistry, and biology at both O-level and A-level. And today I want to look at IGCSE Physics, which is the International General Certificate of Education in Physics. Okay, so the content summary for this is going to be, the first section is going to look at, or we're going to look at, forces and motion. The second part is electricity. The third part is waves. The fourth is energy resources and energy transfers. The fifth part is solids, liquids, and gases. And 6 is magnetism and electromagnetism. Number 7 is radioactivity and particles. And number 8 is astrophysics. So let's have a look at the first one, forces and motion. And these are the units, or these are the different sections under forces and motion that we're going to be looking at. So first of all, it's going to be the units, because we need to understand the units which are used for forces and motion. And then we need to look at movement and position. And then we need to look at forces, movement, shape, and momentum. So there's a relationship between movement, force, shape, momentum, and we're going to be looking at that. In fact, force itself, according to Newton's second law, is the rate of change of momentum. So you can see this, and for an object to have momentum, it has to be moving. And so that's why movement is also involved here. Second part is electricity. And again, we'll look at the units for electricity. Then we'll learn about mains electricity. Then we'll learn about energy and voltage in circuits. And finally, electric charge. Waves is the third one. And we're going to be looking at units again, then properties of waves, the electromagnetic spectrum, and then light and sound. In part 4, we're going to look at energy resources and energy transfers. So we're looking at units, again, units. So every section is going to start with units, and energy transfers, work and power, energy resources, and electricity generation. So that will be part 4. And part 5, solids, liquids, and gases. And under solids, liquids, and gases, we look at units. We're looking at density and pressure, change of state, and the ideal gas molecules. Number 6 to be magnetism and electromagnetism. So again, we look at units, and then magnetism itself, electromagnetism, what it is, and electromagnetic induction. That's the fourth thing under 6. Then under 7, radioactivity and particles. Okay, we look at units, then we look at radioactivity, then you look at fission and fusion. Number 8 is astrophysics, physics of the stars, units, motion in the universe, what's happening in the universe, stellar evolution, and cosmology. And that'll be the end. So the content summary again will be forces and motion, number 1, number 2, electricity, number 3, waves, energy resources and energy transfers, number 5, solids, liquids, and gases, number 6, magnetism and electromagnetism, number 7, radioactivity and particles, and finally, astrophysics. So again, welcome to IGCSE Physics, the International General Certificate of Secondary Education in Physics. And I hope that you're going to learn something from the course. So my name is Derek Tafuma, and I am the tutor for this subject. Thank you for listening and watching.